We're here at
306.
No, this is One Wall Plaza.
306 West Wall.
No, you'll see it.
Confused about it. I was gonna ask you about it.
Here in Midland, Texas. Those buttons. Fourteen-story building with the 13th floor, of course. See? Something, what about something? Definitely ThyssenKrupp. Hi. Snap cam. Very nice gaps. Innovation buttons. And here we one. I'll show you the building address. This is on Wall Street. Oh no, not the Wall Street in New York City, but hi, it's a different Wall Street. In a small town like Midland. And here it is, the One Wall Plaza. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.